Welcome back to where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of automobiles. If you're passionate about motorcycles and eager to stay ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's dive into today's topic. The Yamaha RX100 holds a special place in the hearts of motorcycle enthusiasts, especially in India. First introduced in 1985, it quickly became a symbol of performance and style. Its lightweight design and powerful engine made it a favorite among riders. After its discontinuation in 1996, the RX100 remained a cult classic, with many enthusiasts holding onto their bikes and spare parts. Now, Yamaha is set to revive this iconic machine, blending its legendary past with modern technology. News 24. 1. Mahashakti Scheme. 2. The original RX100 was powered by a 98 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine, delivering impressive power for its time. Its lightweight chassis and responsive handling made it a joy to ride. The bike's distinctive design, featuring a slim fuel tank and minimalist bodywork, set it apart from other motorcycles of its era. Even after decades, the RX100's legacy continues to influence Yamaha's design philosophy. The upcoming 2026 Yamaha RX100 aims to retain the essence of the original while incorporating modern advancements. Yamaha has been meticulous in ensuring that the new RX100 meets contemporary standards without compromising its classic appeal. Mahashakti Scheme. 2. One of the most significant updates is the engine. The new RX100 is expected to feature a 150 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine, producing around 12.4 brake horsepower and 13.6 Newton-meters of torque. This upgrade ensures compliance with current emission norms and provides a more powerful and efficient ride compared to the original. Despite the increase in engine capacity, Yamaha has focused on maintaining the bike's lightweight nature, with the new model weighing approximately 120 kilograms. This combination promises agile handling and quick acceleration, reminiscent of the original RX100's performance. ICSCC.IN 3. ICSC.IN 4. The design of the 2026 RX100 pays homage to its predecessor while introducing modern elements. It features a classic teardrop-shaped fuel tank, round LED headlamp, and a flat seat. The bike's bodywork maintains the minimalist approach, with clean lines and chrome accents. Modern touches include LED lighting, a digital-analog hybrid instrument cluster, and alloy wheels. These updates ensure that the RX100 appeals to both nostalgic riders and new enthusiasts. Mahashakti Scheme. 2. While the RX100 retains its classic charm, it also embraces modern technology. The new model is expected to come equipped with features such as Bluetooth connectivity, USB charging port, digital instrument cluster, and dual-channel ABS. These additions enhance the riding experience, providing convenience and safety without detracting from the bike's timeless appeal. Times Bull. 5. The Patriot 6. Fuel efficiency has always been a hallmark of the RX100. The 2026 model continues this tradition, with an expected mileage of around 55 kilometers per liter under standard testing conditions. The engine is BS6 Phase 2 compliant, ensuring it meets the latest emission norms. This focus on fuel efficiency makes the RX100 a practical choice for daily commuting and long-distance travel. News 24. 7. ICC.IN 3. Mahashakti Scheme. 2. Yamaha aims to position the new RX100 competitively in the market. The expected ex-showroom price ranges from 1.15 Indian rupees lakh to 1.30 Indian rupees lakh, placing it in the premium 150 cubic centimeters segment. This pricing strategy reflects the bike's blend of modern features and classic design. The RX100 will compete with models like the Honda CB150R, TVS Apache RTR 164V, and Bajaj Pulsar N160. ICSCC.IN 3. Edgeological. 8. Yamaha plans to manufacture the new RX100 at its plant in Chennai, with an initial production run of 10,000 units per month. Pre-bookings are expected to open in late 2024, with deliveries commencing in early 2025. Given the RX100's legacy and the anticipation surrounding its return, Yamaha is prepared to scale production based on. The revival of the RX100 is more than just the reintroduction of a motorcycle. It's a cultural moment in the Indian automotive landscape. The RX100's return signifies a growing trend towards retro-styled vehicles with modern technology. This trend has been successful in the four-wheeler market, with models like the Maruti Suzuki Swift and Hyundai i20 incorporating retro design elements. For the two-wheeler industry, the RX100's relaunch could pave the way for more manufacturers to revisit their classic models, potentially leading to a retro revolution in the motorcycle market. ICSEC.IN 3. ICSEC.IN 4. While the excitement around the RX100's return is palpable, Yamaha faces several challenges. Sad face. ICEC.IN 4. Asterisk meeting expectations. The biggest challenge will be living up to the legendary status of the original RX100. Enthusiasts have high expectations, and balancing nostalgia with modern requirements will be crucial. ICCC.IN 4. Asterisk emission norms. Adhering to the strict BS6 emission norms while delivering performance comparable to the original two-stroke engine is a significant technical challenge. ICAC.IN 4. The commuter segment has evolved significantly since the RX100's heyday. Yamaha needs to convince both old fans and new riders of the bike's relevance in today's market. ICCC.IN. Thanks for watching.